Dear friend, welcome to MT-VIKI. Today, we will introduce this product. How to connect the product. Connect VGA port to the host. Connect the USB port to the host. Connect the VGA port on the other end of the cable to the VGA KVM switch. VGA port of the second line. VGA port of the third line. VGA port of the fourth line. Hook up the KVM with your monitor by your own VGA cable. Connect the USB port of the mouse to KVM, USB port for keyboard. KVM switch function display the first host. Switch to the second host. Switch to the third host. Switch to the fourth host. Switch to the second host. Use a set of keyboard and mouse on different hosts.